What if I told you your backyard could become your favorite room without building an addition? The biggest backyard trend this year isn't spending a fortune. It's creating an outdoor space that feels like a luxury retreat. And some of these upgrades can even increase your home's value. Start with a patio or deck. A clean seating area instantly becomes the heart of the backyard, whether you're hosting friends or enjoying your morning coffee. Next, add layered landscaping. Mixing flowering plants, evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, and natural stone creates depth that makes even a small yard feel professionally designed. Lighting changes everything. Solar pathway lights, string lights over a pergola, and subtle uplighting on trees can completely transform your backyard after sunset. Want a true wow factor? Add a fire pit with comfortable seating. It creates a natural gathering space that's perfect for cool evenings almost year-round. Outdoor kitchens are also exploding in popularity. Even a simple built-in grill with a countertop and mini fridge can make entertaining easier while giving your yard a high-end look. Privacy is another game changer. Decorative fencing, climbing vines, hedges, or modern privacy screens can turn an ordinary backyard into a peaceful escape. Don't forget the finishing touches. Colorful outdoor cushions, weather-resistant rugs, stylish planters, and a few water features can make the space feel like a boutique resort. The best part? You don't have to renovate everything at once. One smart upgrade at a time can completely transform your backyard over a single season. So before you plan your next vacation, look outside. Your dream getaway might be just a few backyard upgrades away. Follow for more home improvement ideas, landscaping inspiration, and outdoor transformations that make every home feel extraordinary. Don't forget to subscribe to PropertyVia and tanmarket.com and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. On real estate, property management, home design, landscaping, investing, and home improvement.